Hello, I'm in a 2010 Chevy Suburban, and today I'm going to show you to adjust your clock time and date. So first you want to start the vehicle and wait just a moment for everything to load. And this will turn on your radio if it's not on. So now it's on. And then this symbol here is going to take you to your clock and date settings, so push that. And then also you want to change the hours, click that. And this knob will change the hours. And it just auto saves, so the minutes, same thing. And then if you want to change the month, the day, and the year, and then you can also change it to military time if you prefer that. And you can change the order here if you prefer something that's not American for the style it's set up right now. But that's it. It's auto saved already, so you don't have to do anything else. But I hope this was helpful for you, and hope you have a wonderful day.